Hi, Bhagyashri. She is a marketing manager, US programs, Kaplan International Pathway for PACE. So welcome. Yeah, so tell us something about the university, Bhagyashri.
Thank you, Anu. Anu, PACE University is it's a nationally ranked private university. We have two campuses. One is in Manhattan, which is in the main city in New York. Another one is 50 kilometers away from New York, which is in Westchester. It's one of the oldest universities, definitely in US, founded in 1906. PACE has around 13,000 plus students on campus. We also received 8.6 million in research grant funding, which again is definitely one of the USP that Indian students would be attracted towards too, because a lot of students will look for the research opportunities in US. Every year, we 600 plus employers hired PACE international students. Being in New York, which is the financial capital of the world, provide a lot of job opportunities and internship options for the students. So that is how PACE is. Being in New York, it also gives you an opportunity to do networking with the alumni who already are working in that particular state.
All right, so tell us about the popular programs available at PACE.
Sure. So PACE don't have a lot of engineering programs, but we do have programs available like business analytics, computer science, which is definitely the popular programs. Marketing, we have recently launched human-centered design and data science as one of the programs. We also have programs in public administration, accounting, and other programs like marketing technology, management, MBA. So these all are popular programs at PACE University.
Okay, and the intakes available?
Again, we have both the options available at PACE. We have pathways also available along with the direct programs. So it's available for the spring, wherein the classes are going to start from January. And then we have fall intake when the classes will start from August.
Okay, so what are the USPs of PACE, Bhagyashri?
Sure. As I said, the major USP is like the university is in New York. It's like a couple of minutes walk away from Wall Street, the main campus, which is in Manhattan. So it offers a lot of job and internship opportunities for the students. New York is home to a lot of options available in terms of entertainment and a lot of other places that you can look for. PACE, being in New York, also have a lot of alumni networks spread across within the New York. So it offers a lot of options to the student. PACE University, New York, of course, it's like the Mumbai in India. So people there are very, very lively, and you will get a lot of options to explore there within the state itself.
Okay, all right. So how do PACE assess applications?
PACE would definitely give a holistic approach to the profile, wherein even if it is for undergrad or for grad, we are going to ask the students to submit their transcripts. We are going to ask the student to submit their SOP, letter of recommendations, English proficiency test scores. SATs are not required for undergrad students. For GRE is only required if you have 15 years of education. That's how it would be there. But then if you have 16 years of education, that means if you have 4 years of bachelor's, then GRE is not required. So they provide a waiver for the same. And that's how we are going to assess the applications.
Okay, so tell us about CANEM's relationship with Kaplan PACE University.
Sure. So it's been almost 7 years since we are working with CANEM now, and then CANEM has provided tremendous support to Kaplan for Arizona State University and PACE University also. One of the skilled consultants that I have worked with in this industry, providing education opportunities for the students, in fact, creating the opportunities for them, not in US, but for the other destinations as well. We are very proud to have this relationship, and we are cherishing it over the years. We have received continuous support from the team, the counselors who have vast knowledge about the market. I highly recommend applying through CANEM to PACE University. One should definitely go ahead. I would also suggest you to join the live webinar, which is going to be on scheduled for 14th of January 2022 at 11:30 a.m. Come and join us if you want to know more about the university and about the application. We look forward to your attendance.
All right.
You.
Thank you so much for all the inputs. Thank you.